CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.2, given a scenario, set up and install common peripheral devices to a laptop or PC. Device Setup. With Exam Objective 2.2, I will be teaching you about common peripheral devices, basic configuration settings, and some installation types you might encounter along the way. The images I will be using will be based on the Windows 10 operating system. This is because CompTIA exam content and questions will lean more toward Windows than macOS or Linux. Well, with the exception of the Linux Plus exam, of course. For device setup, Windows 10 has two main utilities: Control Panel and Windows Settings. Control Panel and Windows Settings provide the ability to view and change system settings. It consists of a set of applets that include, but are not limited to, controlling user accounts, changing accessibility options, accessing networking settings, and as it applies to this exam objective, we can use these tools to add, remove, and configure peripheral devices. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.